Hey everyone, if you're a USAA member and need to reset your account password, especially with the 2025 updates, this quick guide is perfect for you. Resetting your password is a simple process that helps keep your account secure, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official USAA website, or launch the USAA app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're on a secure connection to protect your information. Once you're there, navigate to the login page and look for the Forgot Password or Reset Password link. It's usually right below the login button. Next, enter your username, email address, or the phone number associated with your account. This is how USAA will verify your identity, so double-check for accuracy. After you submit that, you'll receive a verification code via email, text message, or through your registered security questions, depending on your account settings. Once you get the code, enter it promptly on the website or app to proceed. This step ensures that only you can access your account. Now, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Aim for something strong. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, and make it at least 8 characters long to meet USAA's 2025 security standards. After entering your new password and confirming it, hit the Submit button. You'll be redirected to log in with your updated credentials. Test it out to make sure everything works smoothly. A couple of quick tips. Always use a unique password for financial accounts like USAA, and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for security. If you run into any issues, check the USAA Help Center or contact their support team. And that's it. You've successfully reset your USAA password. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and hit the bell icon for updates. Stay safe online, and see you in the next one.